Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to set a selling stop limit order using your Binance mobile application. You can do this by either going to your wallet and choosing a coin that you already have, or you can click on markets and choose a coin of your choice. Today I'll use CHZ as an example to show you how to set a stop limit. So you want to click on sell, click here and choose stop limit. I will release a small video explaining what a limit order is. If you'd like to see that, please subscribe to get the notification. As you can see here, the price today for CHZ is 0.4944 and we want to set a stop price of 0.91000 and a limit price of 0.900. In other words, what this means is that you're telling Binance when the price of CHZ hits 0.91, please put in a limit order to sell my CHZ for 0.90. You can then choose what percent of your CHZ you want to sell when the price hits that target by choosing the percentages down here. Or you can actually input the units of CHZ you want to sell at that target price. Or you can input the amount of CHZ you want to sell in terms of USDT. When you're happy with your selection, go ahead and press sell, and a little confirmation message will pop up to tell you exactly what you have done. In this case, it says, if the last price rises to or above 0.91 USDT, an order to sell 333 CHZ at a price of 0.900 USDT will be placed. Go ahead and press confirm, and if you scroll down here, you'll be able to see it under your open orders. And you can cancel this anytime by hitting the cancel button. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Please, if you've benefited from this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos.